name's Ivan Carmona. Right here with my 1948 Chevy Fleetmaster. I'm at a members only car club, Chicago. Got repainted, it came straight from the shop. It used to be all black. So they changed two-tone color. That is a pinstriping, red metal plate. Painted it at old school auto clinic. It's in Cicero and Lake.
Does it have any hydraulic system?
It's got an air ride suspension system. I did it all myself. I pretty much do all the work myself. Like the paint, I don't do paint, so yeah, I gotta get it painted.
And it has the original engine?
Original engine, original trans, original interior. Everything's original.
Oh, everything's original.
Yeah.
That's dope.
It's just the only modification was the air ride suspension.
And how long have you had the car?
This car I had for about 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah, I bought it out in Iowa, brought it back to Chicago.
Okay, you drove it back?
I put it on a trailer and brought it back.
Oh, okay.
It was running, but I loaded it up on a trailer, brought it back to Chicago.
Oh, that's dope. How much did it cost when you first got it?
I got this for $20,000, but it was clean.
And what was the hardest thing to do to the car?
The hardest thing? I would say the paint job was the hardest.
The paint job? Yeah,
There was a lot of detail, a lot of wet sanding and cleaning, getting ready, all the prep work that went into it to get the paint job. Yeah. Done by Chingas. He pinstriped it in January.
Pinstriped it by hand?
Yeah, by hand.
Oh, wow. That's crazy because the lines are really straight.
Yeah, he's pretty good. He's done a few cars here. That was his first car he did this year.
And is this your only car?
No, I have my first car that I ever owned was 1976 Chevy Caprice. I had that since I was 18, and one day I decided to tear it down and build it from the ground up, and still working on it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it should be coming up this summer.
And what exactly triggered your passion for like the lowrider scene?
Oh, ever since I was a kid, the first time I saw a lowrider, I was like 12 years old, and I fell in love with it. And I said, one day I'm gonna buy one. And yeah, when I turned 18, I bought my first car, and I did all my hydraulic suspension on that car back in like '92.
Why did you call it El Viejon?
El Viejon, because it's like a catchy phrase. It means the boss in Spanish. El Jefe, El Viejon. And this is the old guy. He's the boss. He's a man.
He's the one in charge.
Yeah.
That's dope. Does the car have a sentimental value to you? Like,
yes, I put in a lot of work into this. So I'm attached to this car. Doing all the work by yourself, it grows into you.
So after work, you would come home or go to the shop?
Work on it, go take it to the shop, or work on the weekends on it.
If you weren't to sell the car, would you give it away to somebody?
If I wanted to give away?
Yeah, if you were to give it away to somebody.
Yeah, I will give it to my kids.
To your kids?
Yeah.
The legacy?
My daughter already called it. My little daughter, she says that's hers.
That's mine.
That's mine.
No, that's dope.
She's only 12 years old, and she says that's hers.
For a high school graduation?
Maybe college graduation. Make her go to college first.
What's one thing that you want to do on the car?
Right now, I'm happy the way it is. Pretty much did as much as I could do to it. I mean, there's always extra things, but the big deal was with the sergeant stripes. They were just added on this year too. I had a hard time finding them. The stripes on the side of the car, they're called sergeant stripes.
With you being in the lowrider scene, have you ever had anything bad happen with you going on cruise nights or something?
That always happens. When you least respect it, the car dies out. I had the clutch go out one time when I was with the family. We had to push the car out the way and get it towed. That's always going to happen. Something's going to break. You got to fix it.
Now, what advice would you give to somebody that wants to start with their own car? Like, if they want to start from scratch?
They want to start fresh, just buy the car, man. That's all you got to do. Buy the car and take your time with it.
So you're saying that you just got to start somewhere?
Start somewhere. And if you're not going to do anything until you get that car, get the car first. That's the motivation. Keep going. Keep going.